So let's start with joining the sole of the feet together. Hold with your hands and check where your feet have to be, whether can they go near or far. That depends on the body. So what basically you want to do is you want to keep your back straight. You don't want to be hunching. So check whether if you put the leg far, then can your back be straight, or if you put the leg near and if your back is still straight, that is good. Then inhale, extend your chest out. Exhale, hunch. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, hunch. Let me show from side. So your back remains straight in the beginning, and then you inhale, stretch. Exhale, hunch. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale and exhale. Then shake your legs. Keep your back straight. Good. Then gradually stop them and bring the hands onto your knees. Let's stretch your hips a little bit more by pressing your knees down. See if you can go forward. If not, keep pressing your knees down and stay wherever is convenient in your own body. Good. Come back to the center and then stretch your right leg out. Hold the toe if possible. If not, hold your ankle. Then inhale, lift your chest and bend forward. So you're keeping your chest up at the same time you're bending forward. So we are not doing this, we are doing this. You can take the gravity support to press your chest more up and bend forward. Good. Back to the center, change the leg. Left leg out, grab the toe or ankle. Inhale, lift your chest towards the ceiling, grab, take the gravity support and bend forward. Breathe, don't forget to breathe ever. Whenever you are holding, keep breathing normal. Very good. Come back to the center and then open your both legs out. Then keep your back straight. Make sure to keep your back straight. You can take your hand on the back, adjust so that your back comes up, right? So your shoulders are down, chest is up, and back straight. Maintain that. Bring the hands forward and then try go gently forward with each breath you exhale. Adjust the body and keep bringing yourself a little bit forward with each breath you exhale. Good. Come back to the center, lift your arms up, down, and bring your left knee onto the right thigh. Then hands by the side. Lift your chest up one more time and then fold forward. Hold and breathe. Wherever you feel the stretch enough, stop there. And reach your hands out, up and down. Change your leg. Right leg onto the left thigh. Hands by the side of the left knee, left leg. Inhale, lift your chest up. And as you exhale, bend forward and stay wherever is convenient and wherever you feel the most stretch. If you're satisfied with the stretch, stay there. Then reach your hands up and down. Stretch your legs, shake them, and bend your right knee. Hold with your left hand, right hand on the back, or you can bring your both hands onto the ground like this. So you are reaching your hands this way, and then you are making your stomach a little bit out. And so we are going to use the gravity to give the twist. Then inhale, lift your chest up. And as you exhale, twist to the right. Breathe. Good. Come back to the center. Change leg. Bend the left knee. And then adjust your body to bring your both hands onto the sides. Inhale, lift your chest up. And as you exhale, twist to the left. Hold and breathe. Good. Come back to the center. Shake your leg and bend your right knee again. Then take your right hand around your right leg. Check if you can interlock your hands, or you can take a rope. Then inhale, lift your chest up. As you exhale, bend forward. Good. Come back to the center and change your leg. Inhale and around the leg, interlock your fingers or use the rope. And inhale, lift your chest up once again, and as you exhale, bend forward. Good. Come back to the center, stretch legs out and shake them. And then go into tabletop or Marjariyasana. And this time we are going to keep the knee together, hands wider than your shoulders. Then you're going to take your right leg and place it around the left thigh. So you are like in Gomukhasana almost. Then inhale, lift your chest up, arch your back. Exhale, chin to the chest. Inhale, arch your back. Exhale, chin to the chest. Inhale, arch your back. Exhale, chin to the chest. Back to center and change your leg. Adjust, take your left knee around the right. Inhale, arch your back. Exhale, chin to the chest. Inhale up. Exhale, hunch. Inhale, arch. Exhale, hunch. Come back to the center, adjust. So unlock the leg and then bend your knees. and then we do Gomukhasan. So for Gomukhasan, if your knee doesn't go on top of each other, do not worry, you can do this. And slowly as you get more flexible in your hips, the more you will be able to press the knee on top of each other. But that is not the goal. Our goal is that give a little bit more flexibility, a little bit more stretch, and make mobility in your hips. Then once you're ready, bring the hands forward and bend forward. Keep going as far as you can and stay. Breathe. Good. Come back and change your leg. So this time left leg goes under, right leg on top. You can see each time I adjust, so that is the adjust of the hips. You should lift and then adjust, and then it might be easier. You might be able to pull the leg more inward. Once you're ready, inhale. As you exhale, bend forward. Hold and breathe. Good. Come back and go back into tabletop. It's possible that in your knees you are feeling pain, so you make sure that you put a folded blanket under your knees and you bring your hand a little bit forward and then bring your chest and chin towards the ground. Good, come back and then take the pillow and place it under your hips. Gently relax. We are going to do child pose with pillow. Once you're ready, extend your arms all the way out, forehead down, and relax. Thank you for joining me on this channel. Don't forget to give a like and a comment if you enjoyed this video practice.